Nĩ ituura-ini ria Kiang'ombe mwena wa Embakasi kuria maabitha kuramata thogora wa maguta maratabanirie birigiceni ya gwethana na andu aria makoretwo magitwarithia mihang'o ya wendia wa maguta o undu umwe na uiyuria wa mitungi ya gasi mũgarũ na watho.
So far we were able to get 3 sites. 2 sites were dealing with petroleum fuels and about 1,000 liters were confiscated. These are purely illegal petroleum sites which have not been licensed.
Na hindi ya birigiceni ino andu mugwanja nio maraikirio ngono thutha wa gukorerwo magitwarithia mihang'o ino.
And about 7 suspects have been arrested and they will be charged first of all with constructing petroleum facilities without a permit. That is as per section 86 of the Petroleum Act, and also operating a petroleum logistics facility without the requisite licenses.
Agikira ndeto ino mukonde murugamiriri munene wa Ruhonge ruru Edward Kinyua ni araugire ni mambikite mihang'o ya gwethana na aria maragarara mawatho ma wendia wa maguta o undu umwe na uiyuria wa mitungi ya gasi.
The minimum fine, of course, for operating a facility under the new Petroleum Act is not less than 10 million Kenya shillings.
Niaugite ari ndosho ya aria maranyitikana na mahitia ma kwagarara mawatho maya marihuragwo ndosho ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 10. Ekwirwo aya ni matanyitwo gukinyio igoti-ini ica ikuhi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV mohoro gitao njitagwo Wanjiru wa Ngatia.